Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So Alhamdulillah, we are at the corner of the final examinations of the course HS 7312 Halal Laws and Fatwa in ASEAN for master student. So allow me today to call your name for the attendance, just to familiar with your name, and then just also to recognize you through your voice also. First student is, I think we have 22 students who officially registered this course, HS 7312 Halal Laws and Fatwa in ASEAN. First is Nurul Izzati Bustani. Absent, right? Okay. Nurin Hidayah binti Bahar. Louder please, sir. Siti Nurul Haiza Hazirah binti Muhammad Helmi. Siti Nur Azimah Zaini. Thank you. Siti Khadijah binti Sirfuddin. Ayu Nadirah binti Azilani. Thank you. Alia Batrisha binti Haji Muhammad Alias. Absent. Siti Nur Amirah Syahirah binti Haji Aziz. Thank you. Nurul Nazirah Fatin binti Muhammad Yusrin. Thank you. Siti Nur Rafiza Elias Siti Nur Ain binti Muhammad Rapi. Thank you. Dayangku Anis Hannani binti Pangeran Haji Adanan. Thank you. Nur Zahidah binti Adi Masul. Siti Fakhriyah binti Fazili. Okay, thank you. Nur Nida binti Haji Muhammad Amin. Absent. Okay, thank you. Absent or present? Okay, thank you. Number 15 is Nurul Khairah binti Muhammad Kamal. Thank you. 16 Muhammad Azfar bin Sulaiman. Thank you. 17 is Siti Nurhani binti Haji Jabidin. 18 Muhammad Asrarul Arifin bin Haji Nur Aidi. Thank you. 19 Rizwana binti Haji Ramli. Thank you. 20 Abdul Haq Ash-Shakir Haji Abdul Rahman. Okay, thank you. 21 is Abdul Akil Shahid. Absent. Number 22 is Nur Najla Nakuba. Thank you very much.